Hey there, y'all! Today, we'll talk about the tools and equipment that workers of various professions and fields of activity use. Waterproof electric power strip that can be used outdoors despite the rain. Upgraded soil fertilization shovel that saves time and effort. This is the deep vibrator for concrete. Vibration compaction of concrete is the most efficient method for achieving perfect concrete mix. New adhesive for a fast and high quality repair of rubber products. A new adhesive for rubber products that sticks not only firmly but also quickly. If you're using a weed whacker or string trimmer, pay attention to the way your trimmer string or blade spins. This is a plastic corner for the rope that facilitates the pulling force. See how easy it is to make a glass from a glass bottle using copper wire and a torch? Galvanizing your exposed ends will protect them and create a more durable job. From an old rubber tube and a plastic bottle, you can make a jack to lift heavy loads. This is an animal feed pellet machine with 5 kilowatt motor. Environmentally friendly cleaner and rust remover for metal parts. To clean this tire, a hot gun partially melts the damaged surface to remove the material. Here, you can see the adhesive being applied to seam together 2 pieces of turf. Homemade tool that facilitates the work of the builder when applying the mortar. This type of mechanism makes your kitchen look cleaner and gives you more space. This sun helmet has a built-in fan and a solar panel on top. Steel, an alloy of iron, is one of the strongest, hardest, most versatile, and most common building materials. Shielding with non-UVC is an exclusive fabric protection system developed by CleanNew. folding electric attic ladder, which has a similar principle of operation to scissors. Paving sand sets the structure in place while remaining elastic to prevent cracks. When you increase the temperature of the bubble solution, the film that forms the bubble will evaporate more quickly, making it pop. A small portable fan that you can connect to your smartphone when you're hot. Roto Shovel is a handheld automatic shovel to plant flowers, vegetables, and small shrubs. Power rotary scissors are the perfect tool for trimming completely straight edges. Water jet cutting is a type of material processing by cutting where a high-pressure water jet is used as a cutting tool instead of a cutter. How do you like such a device for twisting wire from an ordinary bolt? An old piece of scrap metal can be quickly de-rusted in seconds with this powerful laser. The reed cone chamfer tool can be used both to chamfer the inner and outer diameter of the PVC. IP68 insulating gel for electrical joints and enclosures. With the help of sand and a special liquid, any crack or pothole in asphalt or concrete can be repaired. Assembling a screw air compressor after a major overhaul. A lathe makes painting a round object a lot quicker and more comfortable. Performing fuel injector tests to ensure each injector is consistent with the others and up to spec. Although it looks completely corroded, you can remove the damaged surface. This folding bucket doesn't take up much space and can fully replace a metal one. Power tools use pressure and vibration to cut through the hardest materials like steel. This small hand filter can quickly turn dirty water into drinkable water. This is a collapsible tile laying machine that can lay all the way at once with edge finishing. Shaking the concrete right after you pour it eliminates the air bubbles or air pockets. This is a waterproof self-adhesive vinyl floor tile that's great for kitchen or bathroom. Manufacturing process of automotive seat belts. Making process of round wooden beads. Device for supplying water to the saw blade to prevent dust when cutting stone. Makita twist drill is able to drill through wooden beams even with nails. This small gadget allows you to create a charging device only using a couple of batteries. Portable heavy-duty electric/hydraulic rebar bender and straightener. This tool is able to facilitate the work of workers. It takes years of practice to achieve this level of steadiness and axe handling. The patio cleaner wire brush is ideal for clearing weeds, grass, and moss between pavers. Here, you have a quick hack to bend a pipe without breaking it. You only need another material inside. A job is always better accomplished by a team than all alone. With a little heat, copper grounding wire is welded together and secured in place. Wontons like these are a type of Chinese dumpling commonly found across regional styles. The process of production and processing of a huge drill bit in a factory. Equipment that can quickly and easily dig up a tree with a root for its further transplantation. A disker with a hydraulic switch. When the long metal spring touches the trees, it turns a valve to move the discs out of the way and then moves back into place when there isn't anything that stands in the way. Great tool for cutting tall tree branches without climbing a ladder. Automatic process for the production of polypropylene tapes. Water rowing machines are a great way to get a rigorous cardiovascular workout without high-impact stress on your joints. Use heat shrink tubing instead of duct tape. It's more practical, safer, and more convenient. Brick cutters are strong tools that can break stone in just one blow. Any metallic bowl can become an energy iron if you add boiling water and let it heat. It looks like magic, but it's a simple play of pressure between the full glass and the empty one. Hot tar roofing is used to seal a roof with a protective membrane to endure storms and all outside elements. Convenient handcraft for transporting buckets of water and transporting harvested crops. A well drilling tool that can easily overcome rocks if they get in the way. A smart way of reducing the amount of labor required to plant. A tool with which you can easily and quickly remove the insulation from any wire. Drawing a decorative pattern on a wooden baluster by immersing it in water. Rebar trying tool. It's going to save countless hours of manpower. Modern equipment with which you can lay cables underground. Tray that protects fruits from rotting. Cut a plastic hood from a bottle to keep your rear camera dry. When harvesting tea, it's essential to trim at the right height so the plant can grow back easily. There are several types of sealant, including silicone, latex, and acrylic latex. The damped fibers get harder and create a pattern that mimics rock when used on clay. A hand-operated tool with which you can quickly peel corn. Sam Green is a professional cylinder sharpener that leaves blades so sharp they can cut paper with ease. This is a plastic handle for carrying water bottles, 1 or 2 people. Large flow atomizing sprinklers are perfect for agricultural irrigation as they turn a powerful stream. Plastic clips for plants that may be needed in agriculture. Garden tool that's inserted into the ground at the edges of the garden and protects plants from damage when pulling a watering hose. Handheld bench grinder with which you can easily sharpen knives and various tools. A manual brazier blower will help to make a fire and keep it in the right volume. With a narrow jet, you can control the heat exactly where you need it. Batter dispensers make filling a mold quick and a lot easier than with a spoon. The correct pocket hole jig is an advanced jig for creating rock-solid pocket hole joints. Two-in-one furniture and dog feeder. No spill, perfect portions every time. Masonry sand is a fine-grained, pure type of sand utilized in the creation of concrete or mortar. Universal faucet extension that can be easily bent and rotated in any direction. This aluminum can be sprayed with Line-X. Can now hold a truck and not crush. This handheld mini pipe cutter is designed to cut copper, aluminum, and plastic pipes without leaving chips behind. This modern and versatile tool can replace 5 wrenches. This bin is from the future. When it gets full, it automatically seals the trash bag inside to guarantee no spilling or exposure to any bad odor. Steam cleaning is a unique technology for removing complex contaminants from equipment surfaces. Steam cleaning reduces water consumption dozens of times more than a pressure washer. Water-based latex paint is the fastest drying asphalt appropriate paint and will be dry in less than 3 hours. A few elastic bands make clamp this grip a lot tighter. A heat gun is a key tool to make wrap stick to any surface. A foldable water canister is perfect for camping trips. In addition, it's equipped with a convenient and practical handle and a lid with a tap. This guy attached an electric plug to control a car window.